Hello everyone, what's up guys? This is Vikas Kumar Oja and this is my first video on Python tutorial. In this series I'll be teaching you about the Python. But before learning Python, you should learn about Python and you should learn why it is worthy to learn Python. Okay? So what is Python? Python is just a high level programming language and it is nowadays it is the most popular language. Okay? Python is holding the most position. I'm in the topmost position nowadays. Okay. And what type of language is it? Python is a interpreted language. So its codes are compiled, converted into machine language only during the runtime period. Okay. And it is a object oriented language. That is, it supports the basic features of object-oriented languages like polymorphism, encapsulation, and inheritance. Okay, but what are the things which makes Python more worthy nowadays? First point we need to care about is easy to learn. Why it is easy to learn? I will demonstrate you a simple example on our first program called Hello. Okay, we will write a program to say hello Vikas. Okay, I'll write a program which prints out hello Vikas, and we will compare the code of the Python with other languages. Okay, first let's see what is the code in C. Okay, for C we need to write the following statements has include this all this, and this much of codes prints us hello Vikas. Okay, now take the example of Java. Okay, here I'll be compiling a Java program. Okay, where I have stored it, I store it right here. Yeah, okay. Let's edit. What was the name of it? Hello. Okay, HELLO dot Java. Now see, for just printing the statement hello Vikas, we need to write this much of code in Java. Okay, now in case of Python, you see, in case of Python you need to write only a single statement, print this is the basic syntax for printing. Wait a minute, that's hello Vikas. Okay, hello Vikas, let's see, and it has printed hello Vikas. So simple, isn't it? Just for printing a single line we have written a single statement. But we have seen in case of Java and C, we need to write a block that means 4 to 5 statements just to print hello Vikas. So it's simple to learn. The less the code, the more easy to learn it, and it has got few number of keywords. You will got to know, if you are a beginner and you are having no experience to programming, then you will not know what the hell is this keywords. But you will after you will watch some of my other tutorials, that is the upcoming videos. Okay, easy to understand. Why it is easy to understand? Because its codes are very simple, you can easily understand. When you will go through the codes written in Python, you can easily understand it. Okay, what is the benefit of a easy language over a difficult language like C++ and Java? Well, if you observe the case of AI, let us take the case of AI. Okay, AI means artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not a easy task. It composed of a lot of complex algorithms. So to implement them, a easier language will be more favorable. A easier language like Python will be more favorable over other languages like C++ and Java, because it will be easier to implement the same algorithms in Python. We don't need to care about the language. When a language is difficult, then it makes the job a little critical. That means to apply the same algorithm, you will have to think a lot about it. So that is the benefit of using Python. Okay, third thing is portable. Since the since you can convert the codes of Python into bytecode on interpretation or compilation, the it becomes more portable. That means you can learn Python on any machine. Currently, I'm using Android to teach you. I will demonstrate all of my examples, nearly all of the examples you can say, which are not GUI based, on Android. Okay, and if you will write the same lines of code on your desktop, if you will save the file and try to run it on the interpreter of your desktop, you will get the same result. It will work exactly the same way as it is working in Android. Okay, so it is portable. Fourth is GUI. Okay, it has got GUI. Some people call it GUIs, but it will not be good to call GUI. You will better you should call it GUI, or graphical user interface. Okay, it supports graphical user interface. That is, you can design Windows programs in it. Okay, supports fifth point is supports both structural and object oriented approach. That means you can write your codes in a structural form, like as we do in C. If you are a C programmer, then you are well aware of the fact. An object, or we can also go on with the object oriented approach. Okay, what is object oriented approach? I'll make it clear later on, but it supports the features like polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. Okay, that has some advantage over the structural feature. Okay, sixth point is provides better structure and support for large program. It's since it is simple and its structure is also simple, then to write good large programs, it is worthy to use Python. Well, seventh point is can be used as a script and bytecode. When you are using Python for scripting, that is when you are that means you can use Python both as a scripting language and as a bytecode and so on. Okay, scripting. Do you know what the hell is this script? Script is nothing but when we write, when we design a web page, then we simply embed some codes of Python or JavaScripts. Okay, so I'll make it clear later on what is a script. So you can use Python both as script and bytecode. You can convert the Python into bytecode and you can run it on different interpreters. So that is why it is better to use Python over other languages nowadays. It is nowadays you should know that uh, it is the language which is being paid highest. Okay, and most on machine languages comes in terms of Python because it is easier to understand. Okay, thank you for watching. In the next tutorial, I'll be talking about identifiers and the correct ways to write Python programs. Before learning programming, you should learn how how to code, means how to write its codes. Okay, I'll be dealing with that topics in the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button